Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a head gasket. First, ensure your engine is cool and gather all necessary tools, including a torque wrench, socket set, and a gasket scraper. Safety is paramount, so disconnect your battery's negative terminal. Next, drain the engine coolant completely. Carefully remove any components that block access to the cylinder head, such as the intake manifold and exhaust manifold, to prepare for the next steps. Now that you have clear access, it's time for disassembly. Begin by carefully removing the valve cover, followed by the camshafts. Pay close attention to their orientation for reinstallation. Next, using the correct socket, loosen the cylinder head bolts in the manufacturer's specified reverse torque sequence. This prevents warping. Once all bolts are out, gently lift the cylinder head off the engine block, being careful not to damage any surfaces. With the cylinder head removed, thoroughly clean both the engine block and cylinder head mating surfaces. Any old gasket material or debris can compromise the new seal. Carefully place the new head gasket onto the engine block, ensuring it's oriented correctly. Then, gently lower the cylinder head back into position. Reinstall the cylinder head bolts, tightening them in the manufacturer's specified sequence and to the exact torque values in 3 or 4 stages. Almost there. Reattach all the components you removed earlier, including the manifolds, valve cover, and any hoses or wiring. Refill the engine with the correct type and amount of coolant. It's crucial to bleed the cooling system thoroughly to remove any trapped air pockets, which can cause overheating. Finally, start the engine and let it reach operating temperature. Carefully check for any leaks around the new gasket and listen for unusual noises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.